The Living Light house that we're sitting in now is a 750 square foot building that's completely operated off of solar power. The idea here is actually to make use of off-the-shelf products and put them into new configurations to really strive for some innovative new ways to become energy efficient.
Typically when you see an energy efficient home, people try to build a home with big, thick, solid walls and they put a few little windows in it. But we wanted a home that really had a lot of natural daylight and had a lot of views to the outside. So we put the challenge to ourselves how to design an energy efficient glass house. So by doing that, we created a double facade system that's actually very energy efficient. And between the two layers of glass is an airspace that we're using that air within our home's mechanical system. So we're actually capitalizing on the air within that space as well.
The team is made up of about 120 students from 9 different disciplines on campus. So architects, engineers, graphic designers, business students are all sitting around the table to talk about what energy efficiency means and how does that translate into a building like this. The design is inspired by the cantilever barns of this region. And so you actually see there are 2 wooden cores in the space, and then that frames an open space between. So our idea is to take the history and culture of our region and then to embed the technologies and innovations that are taking place also in this region with groups like Oak Ridge National Labs and Tennessee Valley Authority.
Our solar panels are very unique. They're actually cylindrical glass tubes that have a thin PV film wrapped 360 degrees inside them. This allows us to capture direct sunlight no matter where the sun is in the sky. But because we're able to capture direct sunlight throughout the day as well as reflected light and diffuse light, we actually produce more power over the course of the day. Our home includes a lot of different technologies, so we've combined all those into a really intuitive touchpad interface that our graphic designers actually worked on creating the customized interface. It's very easy to use and it controls everything from our blinds to our mechanical system, even our television.
Additionally, it will monitor all of the appliances in the house and your energy consumption and production, so that it can help the user start making more informed decisions about their energy usage. So how much money am I spending by doing my laundry? How much money am I spending by running my HVAC system or cooking in the kitchen?
I think it's exceptionally important to offer these design build opportunities, especially in fields like engineering and architecture. Being in the school environment, you really get isolated from what your goal of your projects really is. And when you just create something on paper and it doesn't become a real project, you don't necessarily understand how it needs to work.
It was definitely one of the best experiences I've ever had as a student in the university, because it was really a real-world project with real money, real deadlines that you had to meet, and we actually created a real house. It wasn't just some design experiment.
Starting in February, our house will go on the road once again. Our first stop will be in Nashville, Tennessee, and then it's still in the works, but we're planning on making at least 2 or 3 stops after that. We think it's really important to show the whole state what the University of Tennessee has done with this project.